Metal allergies can be a real thing. When I was contacted by someone who has an allergy to copper, we decided to run a test. Almost all jewelry has copper in it. Sterling silver has 7%, even gold. Now, working with pure silver or gold can have its challenges and benefits. Fine silver and gold are more malleable and easier to work, but you can't solder them. To keep it pure, you have to do a process called fusing, which is literally melting the metal together. As you can see, I just melted a chunk of pure silver into the join, and then I file it off to make it look normal. And there we have a pure silver ring. Hope you enjoyed watching. Have a wonderful day.